how to do these more fancy eyes. I'm using a contrasting yarn to show it on the 2 loops. The first round. So you'll do the same all around. I'll come back here to show it, the second round. So I start to wrap my yarn over, so I can do it once or even twice. Let's try twice. I go in and take the next one. Again, kind of wrap the yarn over, in the next one. In and the next one. Another way to do it would be something I'm showing now. You go under 2 loops and you do the French knot over here, back in, again take these 2 loops and a French knot, back in, again, French knot, and back again. So you can form different eye shapes even using simple black eyes. So maybe you'll find that useful.